Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Gaming for Beginners. In this video, we will be learning how to redeem a code in Delta Force. To redeem a code in Delta Force, you'll need to visit the official redemption center, so let's get started. First of all, go open up your web browser on your device. In the URL box, type in playdeltaforce.com/cdkredeem.html. Once you type in this URL, click on Go, and this will take you to this page where you can easily redeem your Delta Force redemption code. Make sure that you're also logged into your account in order to get to this page, and in the text box, type in the code that is available to you and tap on Redeem. After entering the code, and if the code is correct, your rewards will be delivered to your in-game mailbox shortly after redemption. Ensure that the code hasn't been expired and it is active. Some codes are time limited or region specific, but that is how you will be able to redeem your Delta Force redemption code. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.